I'm loving it.
Excellent.
It's great. It's a great conference. It's a great place, great venue, great people.
And it was really interesting, very inspiring.
Actually, everything is pretty cool. I like it a lot.
We have reputable speakers with well-known names, like contributing to well-known products or doing important AI-related research. So I'm gonna say I'm very impressed like how that turned out.
The community around ODSC and specifically people that visit the event are the perfect target audience for companies that partner with the conference.
The topics which were discussed, they're really modern and some burning questions, and that was interesting to listen to people who are recognized in our industry, to ask them questions, to hear what they think about some current issues.
I'm also excited that speakers are mostly from foreign countries and not from Ukraine, and it's always cool to see new faces and to share experience with other specialists.
Interested, motivated, they want to learn new stuff. So after my talk, everybody came over and asked many questions. Not always the case that way. So I think it's kind of a good, vibrant environment that people are eager to learn.
We had a lot of software engineers here, a lot of development. As everyone knows, Ukraine's very strong in development, and so it's great to see so many software engineers and other people show up showing interest in data science, because it's going to be a big field.